right, good morning everybody. Well, we're into the new year. We're back to business. Again, it's the second week in January. We're very busy. If you'd like us to build anything for you, give us a call. This happens to be one of our little 450 horsepower 347 engines. This one's painted black, dual sun pan. Custom is why I say we are custom, because not every pan works for every vehicle. You tell us the vehicle you got, we'll make sure we hook you up with everything you need. So when you get that engine in your house, your shop, whatever, it will drop right in with nothing needed other than you get it in there, and we'll help you get it running. Peace.